As far as the benefits we offer, we believe that we're actually a leader in helping set the industry standards for pay for technicians in agriculture. Along with that, we offer all the insurances, health, eye, dental, 401k, retirements, and we're always looking for advancements in benefits so that we can be competitive with our young people so that they can start off on the right foot.
One of the things that we just added this last year is maternity leave for the father. We'll pay up to 4 weeks paid time off so that the dad can spend time with their newborn. It all depends on the location and the need, but we will offer relocation benefits. We have incentive program as well. So there's a wide variety of benefits that we offer as well.
We do full health benefits, but a good pusher is that we do sign-on bonuses. We help with relocation if you're willing to move across the United States. And we offer the technician roadmap, which lays out where you can be in a set number of years. So if you want to be a journeyman, we can lay that path out for you. Our scholarship opportunities tend to be for employees who have been with the company for a year, and we do tuition reimbursements. So if you want to continue your education in heavy duty equipment repair, or if you would like to go into power generation or anything of that nature, we could pay for that training. And it's up to 4 years and up to $20,000 a year.
So when we hire a WyoTech student, depending on the student and their skill set and their experience, they could get any of these benefits. Low to mid-20s pay. They could be offered 410s for shifts. They can get a relocation assistance, typically up to about $2,500. Some dealerships have sign-on bonuses. Then when they sit down for their review after 6 months, they look at what they got done and then they give them the raise. Their raises is all determined based on their performance and what they get done. We have different tool packages, so they could get a free entry-level starter toolkit. Basic set of tools, just a small box that'll get them going, and it's theirs to use while they work for us. And we have a tool program where if they donate money to our JX Gives Back Family Foundation, they can get a $150 or a $200 gift card to use on tools every quarter. We give away about $12,000 to $22,000 a month to charities that either submit a form to get a charitable contribution or donation from us, or our employees fill out a form and they say, hey, I work with this charity, I know of this charity, and I'd like for them to receive some money. But it's cool that all the new hires that come in, we talk to them about the benefits, and whether they want to volunteer or not, they get paid to go do that and to help out those less fortunate.
In my company's case, we'll tool you up, you'll have your tools, we'll train you, and basically pay tuition assistance that we gift back over a period of time.
Our benefits, we start with a tour, to bring them on board, and then we have a tuition reimbursement program. Along with that, we have a relocation program to help them get to us. Our employment package has health benefits, we have a company match 401k program, paid holidays, paid vacation.
The benefits of coming to work for Tom Wood is the tuition. We're going to take care of a tuition for any student at WyoTech, and to come out to not have to worry about having student loans, not have to worry about this big burden. If you come and sign with any Tom Wood store, we will take care of that burden for you. And this is exclusive to WyoTech. So we have not offered this to any of the other colleges.
I think the diversity of our group is a huge thing. We are unique in that obviously automotive is the backbone of our company, but we're involved in so many different things that I think people enjoy knowing that we have a full-fledged flight school that they can get their private pilot's license and pay half the price that they would if they didn't work for us.
Our employees are our biggest asset and also our biggest investment. We have our own learning development center with Lithia that they can access online whenever and wherever they want. They can either help us plan out a career path for them. They can even start taking management courses while they're a technician to plan for the future. That's all at no charge.
So along with scholarships, we do continuing education that's company paid. So if you wanted to continue with Allison Transmission or other factory OEMs, we do provide that training for our employees at no expense to them. We also provide training to fly to our training centers, which we have now in Brunswick, Ohio, which is near Cleveland, Atlanta, Georgia, and Phoenix, Arizona.
So there's different ways to get them advanced, get them those certifications, and when they do that, then they're going to get a pay raise based on their performance.
We have training going on all year long, different certifications, different trainings to continue to advance them and grow them in the career so they're never stagnant. The more certifications they get, the higher they can move up, the more money they make, things like that. So there's always room for opportunity and growth.
We will put them through master certification training on their own through individual modules, classroom training, all to the point of being master certified. They're coming to work for us, so we're paying them to do their job. We're providing them tuition reimbursement to offset the cost of their schooling. We're gonna pay them additionally to do master certification training modules on their own time. They can do these individual modules and earn additional money on top of that. After that's done, we take care of paying for their hotel airfare, meals, when they go off to factory training, and then when they're done and they become master certified, we give them a pay raise. You put all those pieces together, there is a no-lose situation. On top of that, unlike some of the fleet employers that come to these schools or others, they sign them to terms of agreement. We don't make them sign any agreements. They took the time to invest, to learn, grow their expertise. They take it with them. If life takes them somewhere else, we're not going to hold them to us. That's not how family treats family. NUS is a family organization. That's how we treat our staff.
Going back to that family atmosphere, we bring all of our crew in and feed them a home-cooked meal once a month too. Feed them full of safety information, of course, to keep them current. And then one thing, again, going back to that family atmosphere, the small town atmosphere of our company, is that we are closed from Christmas to New Year's, and that is a paid week for our employees to be home with their families, to go out and rest and rejuvenate. And we'll be flexible. Some of the students might have had scholarships coming here, so they might want to increase their tools. They might have other things that they had, and that's the beauty, again, of being a family-owned private business, is that we have that flexibility to help them where they need the help.